Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change password on Instagram. Click on Instagram. Once you are here in Instagram, click on your profile icon which is located at the very bottom right. Then when you are in your profile, on the top right corner you will see these three lines which is menu. Just click on it and this will open up, and here at the very bottom you will see settings. Just click on these settings. And once you are here in settings, click here into security. You will see in the middle approximately there is security. Just click into it and here you will see password. Click in this password. And here at the very first box you are typing in your current password, and in second and third box you are typing your new password. And once you have done this, on the right top corner you will see this blue check mark. It will turn blue once you will enter all these details, and then just click on that check mark and your password will be changed. So yes guys, I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.